Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I'll show you guys how to join CapCut Pro on a PC. So here I open my CapCut on browser. I already joined the Pro version of CapCut, and then if you're not, your interface would be like, wait a minute, would be like this. The interface will be like this if you are logged onto an account that not already joined the Pro CapCut. The difference is this gift icon or task center is it's over there. And then difference with me, I have manage plan, and then previously I saw that over here there is an option of join pro, but right now I couldn't see it. Perhaps it's some glitch from this app. And then what you have to do if you want to join the pro, instead you have to download app for PC. You have to download app for PC, and then after you install the CapCut for PC, you open your CapCut application. And then wait a minute, I will show you. I just sign out, and then you sign in to your CapCut account, and then you can click this join pro. After you select your preference of pro subscription, you can do anything you want on CapCut Pro. Okay, that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. Visit, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.